Did you know F-strings can do way more than printing like this? So here are 6 formatting tricks a lot of Python devs have never seen. Let's start with a basic. If you're printing your variables like this, then I have the first useful tip for you. You can simply use an equal sign inside the brackets, and it's no longer necessary to manually write down the variable name. With spaces before and after, you can format the output. The next few tips are great when you're working with big numbers, like this example here. With this simple syntax, point number F, we can define how many decimals we want to show in the output, like 2 or 0, like shown here. If you want to use the comma as a thousand separator inside your number, simply add a colon and then the comma before our decimal information. Or, if you want to use an underscore for better readability, just replace the comma with the underscore. If you prefer scientific notation like 2 to the third, simply add your style after the colon, like .2e here. The last one in this, if you want to show a positive or negative sign in front, you can simply add it here, directly after the colon. The F string also has a simple tool if you're working with percentages. Let's say we have a progress bar shown in the variable progress. If we want to show 2 decimals transformed to a percentage number and a percent sign, we simply can use the decimal formatting and add a percent sign after. Or if you want to see just full numbers, just replace the 2 with a 0. And if you want even more control over your formatting, F-strings also support dynamic values. We can use variables as well for formatting like this, like shown here. We can define the width and the number of decimals we want to use. When we now pass this to the Pi from above, we get an output that is 10 characters wide with 3 decimals shown. This gives us full control over it. So with this, we are halfway done. Let me know if you're one of the devs that didn't know what F-string really can do, or if you are already a pro in using it. The next tips are for standardizing the output format in the terminal. With these simple tricks, we can define a width of our output and fill the blank space to the left, to the right, or to the left and right. Like here, the width is always 30 characters. The first one fills the space to the left with spaces, the second one to the right with spaces, the third one to the left and the right with asterisks. Simple, but very useful. And the last one I want to show you is super useful if you work with colors or low-level data. This is not just limited to colors, but if you've ever worked with colors in CSS or web design, you've seen RGB values like 255. With F-strings, you can convert any RGB value directly into binary, octal, or hex code with even prefixes with this simple formatting logic. And that's it. Let me know what you think, and if you would like to see more formats like this.